Before we get into today's video, I want to thank Shine Armor for sending me their ceramic glass cleaner to try on my car. And if you guys are interested in the product, you can use my code FA520 for a discount of 20% off. To use this product, all you have to do is spray it on your windshield or your windows, then use your microfiber cloth to wipe it clean. Crisp Plus is a cleaner that has the same ingredients in topical glass sealants to not only clean, but protect the glass as well. It removes smudges, fingerprints, dirt, and more, leaving your windows and windshields clean and smooth, making it easier to clean every time. Best of all, it repels water and doesn't streak. As you can see in the video, it looks crystal clear and brand new, which is why I highly recommend this product for everyone who wants to use great quality products on their vehicles. Now, let's get on with today's video. That is out tonight. Dealership right here be having some cars. There's an SF90 there, 812 GTS, a FF, there's a Formula One car, a Urus, everything in there. And then some Maserati dealership. Another nice little pull for you guys. This car is so much fun, bro. It's not the fastest car, and I've driven way faster cars, but this obviously will always be my favorite car I've ever driven, or top 3, one of my favorite cars I've ever driven. This car is incredible, man. Go fill this fill this beer up with some 93. That was fucking fun.